Hey folks, it's Mr. Woodward giving you just a quick tutorial on how to use the PhET circuit construction kit. So first of all, you're going to need a voltage supply, which is a battery. This end over here of the battery with the little knob is the positive end. This is the negative, and it's indicating with these red circles that it needs to be connected. So you can grab a wire and connect it to the battery. These wires can be any length you want. And then you're going to want to connect that battery and the wires to a light bulb. Okay, so here's a light bulb. You can rotate the light bulb. Notice the light bulb also has these two connections. One is to the bottom of the bulb, the other is to the side of the bulb, which is actually how a real light bulb is connected. So you'll want to take one of these to here and the other one to the other circle. I'll try to exaggerate that connection by rotating this. This needs to go to this circle. And then that turns the light on. Okay, so you can see electrons are flowing. These are these negatively charged green dots. And those electrons, by the way, go out of the negative end of the battery through the light bulb and then back. So the battery serves as like a little electron pump. Okay, and then you are welcome to add other stuff to this. I mean, you could add like more loops off the battery here. You could add loops off of the light bulb on this side. You could do all sorts of configurations. Okay, so have fun with that. One common problem that students have is with correctly connecting the light bulb. So I'm going to delete these wires. If I just tap on it, I can hit delete. This one over here. So here's what a lot of students do accidentally. I'm going to remove this connection. A lot of students don't notice that there are two ends to the light bulb, and so they connect this end here, and that is a short circuit, which means the electrons are not being forced to go through the light bulb, and they go around and around super fast, and it in real life would produce a ton of heat and would eventually kill the battery and maybe heat it up so much that it would explode. So you don't want to short circuit the battery. Make sure that you are connecting both ends of your light bulb. Okay, end one, end two. All right, and then there's a bunch of other stuff over here. You can add like switches, which are pretty cool. So if I want to turn my circuit on and off with a switch, I just tap here. When the switch closes, it completes the circuit. And there are other features over here, fuses, dollar bills, paper clips, but we will mostly focus on the wires, batteries, bulbs. We might get into some resistors later.